Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are on the Cape Verde Islands in the place Mindelo. We're waking up early and we're going out with the boat Ice Blue to catch some blue marlins. We're driving out to the southwest bank of San Pedro, where there's a lots of concentration of bait fish, and there's some hopefully big blue marlins around. We're on board with 3 crewmates. We have Captain Pedro, who's responsible for driving the boat and handling the boat in the position when we hook up a marlin. Then we have deckmate Sky and we have deckmate Berno. They care about taking the fish in and doing the catch and release process. Voor de kijkers thuis, we zijn Marlijn aan het drillen. De laatste fase, de laatste 15 meter.
Yes, come on, Blue is number one. Like as blue.
Ja, mostro, como você vê.
Komt veel te sterk aan.